Connect the round plug of the power adapter to the power connector of the 9-pin aviation configuration cable. Connect the 9-pin aviation connector to the receiver port 1 interface and tighten it. Connect the 9-pin to Ethernet cable to the receiver port 2 interface and tighten it. If you are not using a network cable for data transmission, there is no need to connect the 9-pin to Ethernet cable. Connect the GNSS cable to the GNSS 1 interface on the receiver. Connect the antenna to the small suction cup. Connect the antenna to the other end of the GNSS cable and place it outdoors. Connect the 4G high-gain antenna to the 4G interface on the receiver. Connect the radio antenna to the radio interface on the receiver. Connect the 2.4G antenna to the BT interface on the receiver. Connect the power supply. Turn on the laptop's Wi-Fi and search for the Wi-Fi signal with the receiver's SN number. Enter the password to connect to Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.211.21 to access the receiver's web interface. Enter username admin and password to log into the R61 web page for configuration. The web page includes 5 setting menus: receiver management, receiver status, receiver configuration, data download, other. The upper right corner displays the SN number. The language can be set on the right. Receiver management contains 2 menus: receiver information and firmware update. Receiver information allows you to check information such as the device baseplate, mainboard, radio, and 4G. Firmware update allows you to upgrade the mainboard, GNSS, and radio firmware. Receiver status contains 2 menus: location information and satellite information. Location information can display longitude, latitude, elevation, differential state, number of satellites, PDOP value, UTC time, and other information. Satellite information can display satellite list, stellar map, and signal-to-noise ratio information. Receiver configuration contains 6 menus: antenna settings, operating mode, satellite settings, I/O configuration, NMEA settings, network settings. Antenna settings can set antenna height and antenna measurement height parameters. Operating mode can configure 3 working modes: reference station, mobile station, and static measurement. Satellite settings can configure the satellite cutoff angle and enable or disable satellite systems. I/O configuration can, depending on the working mode, configure NTRIP, TCP, and serial ports to output RTCM 3.2 or NMEA 0183 protocol data. NMEA configuration can disable or output NMEA 0183 protocol data. Network settings can configure the SIM card APN parameters and network interface settings, and check whether the network connection status is normal. Data download can download collected static data. Other contains 2 menus: login settings and server settings. Login settings can set the web login username and password. Server settings can set the server IP and port used for uploading for remote management. The R61 can be used in scenarios such as CORS base stations, monitoring systems, precision agriculture, intelligent transportation, construction machinery, and drones.